About this item: compact design. The compact designed portable BENFEI USB-C to VGA adapter connects a computer, desktop, laptop, or other devices with USB-C port to a monitor, projector, HD TV, or other devices with VGA port. Tuck this lightweight gadget into your bag or pocket to do a business presentation with your laptop and projector, or extend your desktop screen to a monitor or TV. A VGA cable is required. Superior stability. Built-in advanced IC chip converts USB-C digital signal to VGA signal. The USB Type-C source should supports the USB Type-C alt mode. Incredible performance. The USB-C to VGA adapter supports resolutions up to 1920*1200 at 60 Hz including 1080p, 720p, 1600x1200, 1280x1024 for high-definition monitors or projectors. Plated USB-C connector resists corrosion and abrasion and improve the signal transmission performance. Molded strain relief increases cable durability. Broad compatibility. The BENFEI USB-C to VGA is compatible with 13/15 MacBook Pro 2019, 2018, 2017, iMac, MacBook, MacBook Air, Google Chromebook Pixel, Lenovo 900, Dell XPS 13, 9350, Dell XPS 15 9550, Dell XPS 12 9250, Dell Precision 5510, HP Spectre X2, HP Spectre X360,